Hello everybody. I wanted to come and give you guys a really quick review. Thank you guys once again for just watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Again, I certainly appreciate you all, and I certainly want to make sure and ensure that I come and give you guys many more videos. So I did receive a package and I wanted to come and share with you guys because it's such a great item that I received, and I was super excited for one, the item that it is, and for two, you guys, the price that I pay for this item, and just the item itself is just something that is not, we don't see. It's kind of a hard to come by item with the color and the size. So I wanted to come and share with you guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new here, please like and subscribe. And again, for everybody else, thank you again for watching, and I appreciate you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I wanted to jump into the items. It won't be a long video. I just kind of wanted to come and share with you guys really fast. So as you can see, I have this box. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the company. This company that I found is called Juma Shop. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right, but hopefully you guys can see. This is the receipt. So this is the company I got this item from. And we'll kind of go into what I got. Here's my package. A lot of the reviews were that the package was coming in damaged. My package came in a very well box. I did go ahead and open the package, but I am going to go ahead and share with you guys what I got. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. And again, nicely packaged. It did come. So I do want you guys to see if you haven't gotten to see it yet. And look what I got, you guys. Oh my goodness. We have all seen this. It has been one hot commodity. Look, you guys. Look at the bag. So, again, fast video. I'm going to go ahead and unstuff the bag. If you are not familiar with this bag, then shame on you, because again, you know this is one of Coach's popular bags currently right now. And I wanted to come and share with you guys the Empire. This is the Empire. If you can see this, hopefully you guys can see this. This is the Empire carry bag, size 26. We know this comes in multiple sizes. This is a size 26. Again, you can see the color of the bag is tan. It's called tan on the receipt. We know that this, mostly everybody likes the larger sizes. I thought this was just a beautiful bag. Also, I love the size of the bag, guys. I wanted to share with you guys. So it did come, it was fully wrapped. And I know you guys have seen this bag before, but I wanted to come and share it because it was such a great deal that I got, and also the color and shape. And with the new releases that just happened on the runway with the size 21, this would be the closest size to me. And so I love the colors that just came out, but I don't know if I'm going to get an additional color with just getting this bag. So I wanted to jump into the details. Again, I got this from the Juma Shop. They recently had a sale, you guys. And you guys would not believe how much I paid for this bag. I got this bag for $170, you guys. They had it on the site for $170. I could not just let this bag go. $170. This bag normally goes for $4.95. They had a lot of bags on their site. Not only that they had it for $170, but if you signed up, they had a coupon for $20. So I only paid $150 plus tax. And again, look at this beautiful baby. It came fully wrapped. As you can see, it's just like the biggest size. I'm going to go ahead and open it so you all guys can see the bag. It's just like the regular big ones, the 40, all the ones that everybody's wanting to do. But I wanted to come and share because this is such a gorgeous bag, you guys. And as you can see, there's no dent or anything. Has the feet on it as well. It's just like the larger size. It has the details where it has the belts where you can unbuckle, which I've already done so you guys can see. It has the zipper in the middle, zip pocket. It comes with the hand straps as well as a crossbody strap, you guys. I've already unwrapped it, the hand strap. So for the crossbody, you can wear it as a crossbody, but more than likely I'll be carrying it like this. But because it's such a little bag, I could wear it as a crossbody. And I'll show you guys. And I'll go ahead and connect it so you can see. And I'm not going to adjust the strap. I'll let you see. So as I put it over my, and this is as a crossbody. So because it's such a little bag, again, this is a size 26. I can wear this as a crossbody. Look at that. So if anyone is interested in the new bag that's coming out, that's a size 21, imagine this bag just a little bit smaller. This is what you would get. Very beautiful bag. Okay. It also has still the squishy leather that everybody loves. Let me unstrap that again. It states the same thing at the bottom. As you can see, it is made of that beautiful leather. It has the Coach logo in the front, like so in gold. We have the Coach logo tag here, and it has the inside pocket here, the snap. Like I said, it has the zipper. And what I like about it is because you do have these adjustable straps, you're able to loosen it up to expand so that you get more into the bag. So I'm going to show you some accessories that I have to put in the bag that I am going to match up with this bag. And again, this is going to be a really fast, quick video. As you can see, it's very squishy. Look at that bag. I just can't wait till it gets older. So as you can see, I loosened that up, and you see how wide that gets? Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out some accessories to match it up with the bag, and so you guys can see what goes into the bag. So I have, if you remember, this came out during the summer / spring, summer. And this is our wristlet wallet in this beautiful floral. As you can see, this was a popular flower bag that came out retail, but this actually was the outlet one. So this is the wristlet. Look at that. That's so beautiful. It matches very, very well. Okay. I also have the charm / change that you remember that came with this set as well, that I can put with this. I have the bandit wallet. Not familiar with Coach. You know the bandit wallet has the opening inside. It has one slot here, an opening for money here, and on the back you have 3 card slots like so. I thought that it goes perfect with that. Look at that match. And then also, if I wanted to use, you guys know I like to take my crossbodies by Coach and create a carry-all. If you guys remember this also came during the same time. And I thought this would go great with this as well. So again, I got options like so. Or I can remove this and we can go with this. But look at that. Look at that color, you guys. Very beautiful. So, I do want to go ahead and show you what all fits in the bag really fast. Like I stated, I wanted to come and share with you so fast. I didn't want to make this a long video. I just wanted to show you what I got and how super excited I was. So, again, if I'm going to use this as a carry-all, I would use this. Let's see if this fits. Okay, I have the carry-all. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the back. And as you can see, it fits in perfectly. Does not go over, so I want you guys to be able to see how tall it is, so that could fit right in the inside of that. Again, I have the wristlet wallet. Beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and insert that in the same area. I have my bandit wallet that I would insert. Again, I can either use this on the outside or the inside. And I know some of you are going to say, well, that's silver and this is gold. Gold, yes. I like mixing my metals. So whether it's silver or gold, it doesn't matter. I like my metals mixed. So again, I can either attach this as a charm or I can insert it. I'm going to go ahead and attach it and throw it inside the bag. Okay. So all of those things are in there, and I still have all that space. As you guys know, I also carry a catch-all bag. If I wanted to carry this bag that you've seen in my previous videos, I can also insert that as well. Okay, I'll take this out and the bandit out, and I'll set that in there like so. And as you can see, this baby packs everything that I have just shown you. Very spacious bag. Everything was able to fit, not stuffed. And if I open it up, there's still space to put more. I still haven't put anything in the inside. So if I wanted to put my phone in the zip in the center, I could. Okay. Again, you can leave it unbuckled like I'm so on the side, or we can button it back up so that you can see the fullness. One moment, you guys. And again, like I said, I cannot let this deal go by, you guys. This was $170. I walked away paying $150 plus tax. What a deal. So again, here we are. The bag is being packed. And as you can see, it's very soft, so it's going to fold with whatever that you have in the bag. It's not heavy. If I want to add the crossbody, like so, with all those items in it, I could. Just want to show you with it being packed to the capacity. You are able to see the fullness. I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And there the bag is, not heavy, just right. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful bag, you guys. Okay. I also wanted to show you with decorating. If you know, if you don't know me by now, I like to accessorize my bags. I do have a couple of items over to the side that I would like to show you as far as charm-wise goes. If I wanted to, I could add these beautiful butterflies. Look at that against that tan. Isn't that pretty? So if I wanted to, you have the side to add those if you wanted to. Or you can add it in the front with connecting it this way. Like so. And I'm moving kind of fast. I also have this teddy bear. Thought this would be so cute. And again, you see the tag still on it. Haven't carried it yet. But I think that I'm going to utilize this one. Look at that. Isn't that pretty against that tan? So pretty. And you guys know I love a good chain. So here's one of the chains from the, I believe this is from one of the outlet bags. I want to say the catch-all or crossbody. But you can take your chains and do whatever. So I know you guys are looking, this is long. But what I would do, taking off the charm, and I'll show you guys really fast. Again, I just wanted to kind of share with you guys this bag because I could not let it go. So I would insert this chain, both pieces through here. like so. Just want you guys to be able to see. Okay. I'm going to make sure they're even. And I am going to take a liquid. Again, you can do whatever you want to style your bags, you guys. And then I'm going to come over and connect it again over here's. And then just adjust. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. Gorgeous. I also can take, let's see, I have this as well. If you recall when I did my last video, I had a charm, this horse charm I thought would look so pretty on that. Again, I can take and attach that. I didn't want to make a super long video, you guys, so I want to kind of move fast, but I'm just going to connect the horse to the charm. This one keeps falling out, so I did not connect it. One moment. There we go. So again, you style your bags how you want to style them, with what charm. Somebody asked me, where did I get this charm from? I got this charm from the actual Fashion Nova, and I'll list this up into the chat. But also, again, I love the chains, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. I just wanted to come and share with you guys this beauty. Like, who would have known that this would be on sale for $170, and I would be able to, this popular bag that everyone is raving about, I was able to get such an amazing deal. I love it. Has the feet. I'm able to pack this bag with everything, and the color, guys, it goes with so much. So this is the front of the bag, that is the side of the back of the bag, and I know everyone has seen this. I could not come and share this beauty with you guys. Again, this is one of my newest collections. I got it in the mail today, and I'm super excited. I just had to come and do a quick video and share with you guys on what I got, because I'm excited. You have to check the website out, you guys. I also got some glasses from the website as well. They have glasses, perfume. You have to go out to the website. They have so many things that's at a discounted rate, and I was scared to order from them, but when I got this, my package was amazing. The bag is amazing. This goes down in the history. And then when we looked at the runway, you guys, the runway and all the colors, I love the colors. And I'm thinking about it, but I think that this might heal me on that piece, and I don't need to buy anything as far as one of these bags. So now that don't mean I don't have my eye on some other bags, because I do. But I wanted to come and share with you guys. Please tell me if you like this bag. I know everyone loves the big bag. I'm not such a fan of the larger ones, the 44, the 40, the 48. I'm more of a mid-size and smaller. So I want you to tell me, what's your thoughts? What do you think? Do you like this bag in this size with the upcoming release? So a little bit smaller than this? And would you get it? What colors? If so, what colors are you going to get?